Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the iPhone Personal Hotspot, open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and enable Allow Others to Join. Make sure cellular data is active because the hotspot shares that connection. Once enabled, note the Wi-Fi network name and the password shown. This is what you'll enter on the laptop. If you prefer, tap the Bluetooth sharing option to pair. However, Wi-Fi is the fastest, so we'll proceed with that method now. On the laptop, open the Wi-Fi menu and find the iPhone SSID you just enabled. Click or tap it, then enter the hotspot password exactly as shown. Passwords are case-sensitive, so copy carefully. Once connected, check the network status. It should show internet access. If it shows local only, toggle the laptop Wi-Fi off and on and reconnect. Also make sure the iPhone screen stays unlocked briefly during first connection, so the handshake completes. Once connected, verify internet by loading a web page or running a quick speed test. This confirms traffic is routing through the hotspot. If pages fail to load, first toggle the iPhone Personal Hotspot off and on, then reconnect from the laptop. If that fails, turn off Wi-Fi on the laptop briefly and re-enable it. As a final troubleshooting step, reboot the iPhone if problems persist. Reset network settings on the iPhone. Note this erases saved Wi-Fi passwords. Then retry the hotspot connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.